So what have we got here? This is
I don't know.
it's a bit dark, isn't it? Hang on. Might have to come around here. Let a bit of light in. There we go. What have we got here? Maybe Mum better go and get some scissors. You can probably just take it out. Mum's helping. Oh, what have we got here? Oh.
Mum, you've got a little thing like this.
Yeah, I don't know where it is though.
There's a wallet.
The book.
That
Get-
one you had a green.
Get this stuff out, pull it out, so show the viewers.
This stuff.
Yeah. What have we got here? This is some sort of care, and what have we got here? Genuine warranty card. Oh, that's not very good. And show the viewers Mum's wallet. Oops, it's a bit bright, isn't it? Open up inside. What have we got inside? How does it work? It comes out there. That's a piece of protective paper.
What about this?
It's a bit of...
Sticky tape.
Where is the money?
There is
There should be money in the wallet.
There you go.
zipper.
Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision. The whole room smells like leather now, doesn't it? Leather. Okay, there you go.